The Canterbury Tales, Themes, Structure, and Characters. Welcome back to our channel where literature comes alive. In our last episode, we explored the life and legacy of Geoffrey Chaucer, the father of English literature. Today, we turn to his greatest masterpiece, The Canterbury Tales, a work that captures the voices, humor, and the spirit of medieval England like no other piece of poetry ever written. The Canterbury Tales is a collection of stories framed within a pilgrimage. A diverse group of 29 pilgrims gather at the Tabard Inn in Southwark, London, on their way to the shrine of St. Thomas Becket in Canterbury. Their host, Harry Bailey, proposes a storytelling contest. Each pilgrim will tell 2 tales on the way and 2 on the return, and the best story will win a free supper at the inn. Though Chaucer planned for 120 tales, he completed only 24. Yet even these give us a vivid cross-section of the 14th century English society. Chaucer built the poem using a frame narrative, a story that contains many other stories within it. This technique allows multiple voices and genres to coexist: romances, fables, sermons, fabliaux, and moral allegories. The language is Middle English, rich with rhythm and realism. Chaucer used iambic pentameter and the rhyming couplet, a form that would later shape English poetry from Chaucer to Pope. Each tale reflects the personality of the teller, making the Canterbury Tales not just a collection of stories, but a living portrait of medieval humanity. One of Chaucer's greatest achievements is his realistic characterization. His pilgrims come from every social class, from noble knights to humble laborers, from clergy to merchants. The knight represents ideal chivalry, brave, courteous, and honorable. The wife of Bath, bold and outspoken, challenges medieval ideas of womanhood. The pardoner and the summoner expose church corruption with biting irony. The miller, rough and bawdy, tells a scandalous story that mocks the pretensions of others. Each pilgrim is a distinct voice, speaking with humor, honesty, and individuality. Through them, Chaucer creates a miniature of medieval English life, a world both deeply moral and delightfully human. Chaucer's themes are as universal today as they were in his time. Many tales expose the hypocrisy within the church, showing how human weakness can corrupt sacred institutions. Chaucer uses humor to critique the class system, revealing greed, vanity, and ambition across all ranks. Through characters like the knight and the wife of Bath, Chaucer explores love's ideas and its earthly realities. The pardoner's tale and the summoner's tale reveal moral decay within the mask of piety. Above all, Chaucer celebrates humanity in all its contradictions, noble and base, holy and sinful, foolish and wise. At the heart of the Canterbury Tales lies a powerful message that every person has a story worth telling. Chaucer's pilgrims may differ in class, faith, or virtue, but through storytelling they become equal, united in their shared humanity. This democratic vision of literature, giving voice to the many, not just to the mighty, is what makes the Canterbury Tales timeless. It marks the birth of modern English literature, where human experience becomes the true subject of art. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Chaucer's world of Canterbury Tales. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the great classics of English literature. Thank you.